welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a BSA 650 Lightning from 1971. The bike has just had, in the last 5 years, about 7,000 or 8,000 euros spent on it. Full engine mechanical rebuild from a specialist in Birmingham in the UK. Overall, aesthetically, it's actually really nice. It's been converted to 12 volt and electronic ignition, which is nice as well. And overall, I think it's in very good condition for 1971. Air duct kind of drum brake here at the front is really cool and unique piece for this bike. Front mudguard here is good. Little bits of signs of pitting, but nothing crazy. Front shocks are really nice. Indicators, front headlamp, all very nice. Clocks are good. Showing 4,896 miles. The kind of tank strap, metal strap over the top is cool. BSA logo and tank. Little bit of, peeling here at the bottom, as you can see. And engine, I think, is all very good. Remember, it is a 1971 English bike, I think, for its age. Very nice. Non-original seat, but comfortable. Very good. Black plate at the rear, 71 KE. Rear tire is good as well. Spoked wheels, all very nice. The exhausts on the left and right hand side in very nice condition as well. Shock here at the rear, all good. Swing arm, overall very nice. Your keys here as well. Your BSA Lightning 650 stickers, and overall very nice. Remember, it is a 1971 bike. So let's stop looking at it and let's go for a spin. Okay, BSA 650 Lightning. Okay, give me a little bit of leeway here with this one to get it going. So yes, if I remember correctly, that's the ignition. Might be in the wrong position. I had it in the wrong, didn't have the ignition on, so that helped. So, my bad guys, I apologise. Right hand gears, I don't know if they're all down or up. I'll test it out here. Yeah, okay, so it's standard, one down all the way up, but on the right hand side. Actually, I'm gonna go left here, those guys. But I mean, guys, you have to remember, this bike is, what is it, 68, so it's nearly 60 years old, guys, this bike. This must have felt like an absolute rocket ship back in the day. Absolute rocket ship. Just bear with me as well on the gears. It is difficult if you guys have ridden if you guys have ridden these bikes before, that they it's hard to get used to the gear on the right hand side and all of that. So just bear with me while I'm riding it. I am hopping on and off bikes. It can be confusing when you're on a Vespa and then the next bike you're on is a BSA 650 Lightning and the gears are all this different way around, but absolutely gorgeous bike. I mean, no complaints here at all. Just stunning for the age that this bike is. It rides incredibly well, really incredibly well. Into the left here now, and we'll just set her up. into neutral. Very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful bike. I have the indicator on there at the front and the indicator on the right there. These bikes, as I say with all of them, they need a bit of a run to fully understand everything on the bike. But you've got your left rear indicator and right rear indicator working there as well. Lights then, lights the front, high beam and low beam both working. Very, very nice, stunning bike. Yeah, that shake at the front, but beautiful, beautiful thing for the age. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our socials are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.